Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's that time again, time when we reveal the original stamp of the month. Now, if you're not familiar, we have a stamp club. This club is a mystery club. You sign up, and each month you get a new, never before released stamp set sent to your door. And this month, I'm super excited about this one. Now, if you'd like to know more about our stamp club, how much it costs, the discount you get in our store, any of that information, I will link it in the description below. Now, listen. I just had an idea one night and I was like, you know what? I think we can make this happen. And I cannot wait to show you this one because it is super duper fun. You ready for this one? You are going to love it because it's so Maymay. Look, upside down. We're back to old ways. This is so Maymay. And I'm going to tell y'all that. It's very me, okay? So this set is called Card Again. Now, let me explain that. It's called Card Again because we're sending you a card again. Do y'all remember? I was making a card and I said something about a cardigan or making a cardigan or my cardigan. I cannot remember exactly what I said, but we laughed and said, oh, get it, cardigan. So look, here's the sentiment. Sending you a cardigan, and then down here you put this on the, I'll show you in the samples, but get it? It's a card again, LOL, right? Isn't that funny? And how about this one? Love you more than my favorite sweater. Now let me tell you something. Here in the South, we don't get a lot of sweater weather. We get some. We get sweater weather more than we get coat weather, but we all have a favorite sweater. We have that one sweater we love to put on and wear it like a hug. So we thought this was really cute. Love you more than my favorite sweater. And how about this one? You sweater believe it. I thought it went perfect with this, right? I love you more than my favorite sweater. You sweater believe it. And then look, burr and ha ha if you want to do the laugh. Now, this is the star of the show. This is your cable knit to make your sweaters with. This is your sweater background, and it comes with a buttonhole, a button. These little dots right here you can use for anywhere you want, no, whatever you want to do with them. If you decided you didn't want to do this and you wanted to like cut that center out or something and change it, or I'll tell you what I love them for. If you take these 4 little dots and this X, you could like stitch up the page, just anything. You can play all you want. The other reason I wanted to give you these is because if you have a punch, like a circle punch, and you wanted to make a button bigger than ours, this is a 1/2 inch button, almost 1/2 inch, I'll show you. But if you want to make a bigger button, this gives you the center for that and the center for that. So any size circle, you can now turn into a button with those. We always have spaces we need to fill, and I thought, you know what, I want it to be usable, so that's what we decided to do. All right, are you ready for samples? You're not ready for this. You're not ready. Okay, I made the card I had in my head, all right, for this stamp set. Look. Sending you a cardigan. Are you kidding me? Now, I mixed suit up with it because it had to have that tie. This is such a Vinny card. This is so for Vin. He loves a good sweater vest. Now, he would wear a sweater vest, not a cardigan, but he would totally get this. I say he wouldn't wear a cardigan. He probably would wear one. But look how cute this is. It also reminds me a little bit of Mr. Rogers, and I was a huge Mr. Rogers fan. I love this cardigan. Of course, I did it in red. So look, sending you a cardigan, and then when you open it up, it says, get it, it's a card again, LOL. Love how this one turned out. I used the button holes here, and then I put the little buttons down here, and I want to show you this. These buttons, you can see that they're punched, and I punched them with my 1/2 inch circle punch. So it gives you a little bit of a lip. We did that on purpose. We sized this down so it would work perfect with a 1/2 inch circle punch. So pull that out if you got it. Now, Shannon, in her classic Shannon beautiful green, look at this. She loves green. Love you more than my favorite sweater, and look at the sweater pattern in the back and how she did the ink and this beautiful floral. And on the inside, she left it blank, but I know why. This is the Valentine for her hubby. Should I say that? Maybe he won't watch. I hope he doesn't. She said, I'm making him a feminine looking Valentine, and I don't care because I love him more than my favorite sweater. I think it's cute. Precious. Great job. Love this. Are your wheels turning? I know they are, just like Brenda's wheels were turning when she made this sample. Look, she used it for nautical, and it's perfect for a nautical card. She put that cable down this way. This is another portion of the stamp. And then look, she even used it here on her sentiment. There is that cable everywhere. So you don't have to use it the way we showed you. And she even used one of our scripture stamps. When you go through deep waters, I'll be with you. And then this is also from a scripture stamp called Anchored. So she mixed that together. Can you believe it? There's so much more you can do. so much more. You can use it for borders. You can use it for texture. You can use it for patterns. You can use it on different papers. You could probably emboss this with a fine detail. This is a very fine stamp, okay, which is good. It makes it easy to stamp. You don't have any bold areas in here, which makes this easier to stamp. And this is one stamp, okay? If you wanted to separate it, you could, but I liked keeping it together because if you notice on the cardigan, which was kind of my point, this is one stamp and this is one stamp, and then they're just put together. I'll make this card for you guys so you can see it, because there is a little bit of a trick to get this just right, and I'll make it so you can see how that works. But I love it. I hope you guys love it as much as we do. I was so excited when it came in. We all ran back here to do our samples. And when I got this one done, I took it up to show Sylvia, and she was beside herself. Because a lot of times when I tell her what I want, she doesn't always see my vision to the end. But she got it done, and this is what I wanted. So I just love it. I hope you guys do too. Don't forget, with these club sets, each month we do a giveaway. So if you would like to be entered to win a $50 gift card to our store, all you do is make something using this stamp set, post it to our customer gallery, and then we pull a winner each month. As a matter of fact, there'll be a winner from last month in the top line of the description below this video. Now, if you need inspiration, our customer gallery is the place for you. There are over 2,000 posts from people just like you that have purchased products from our store, used them, and then posted them there for you guys to be inspired by it. It's kind of like our very own Pinterest, so go check that out too. We'll link that in the description as well. There you go, guys. I love it. I hope you love it as much as I do. And until next time, bye now.